Good morning, it's Charlene. How are you feeling? I'm feeling good. It's another chilly day in DC. My allergies are out of control. Oh my goodness. And if you wear contacts, this is like the worst time ever. Anyway, enough of that. Today I'm participating in a challenge. It's called the Useful DIY Challenge, where we were challenged to make use of something we already had, and it could be anything in your home, and turn it into something useful. So today's projects for me, I have books covered in lace and flowers. The books and the lace were all thrifted items, and I've had the books forever, and I got the lace a few weeks ago at the thrift store, and I was so happy to find it. And then I have some old votive candles that I wrapped in some pages of an old book and tied it with ribbon I already have. Painted mason jars so I can add in some Dollar Tree flowers. I think all great makeovers start with Dollar Tree. I do. I did some homemade chalk paint with baking soda so I could paint an old tray that I had from whatever Asian-inspired design decor stage I was in, whatever decade that was in. I had one left over. And I also painted a candle and dripped it in wax and gave it a whole new look. And the last thing I'm going to show you is I'm constructing a fireplace. It's a faux fireplace. I decided I needed a fireplace. And I'm using what I have. Y'all know I've been saying that in every video. I go in my garage and I'm taking a lot of stuff, especially now that I've cleared out a lot of the junk. I'm looking at things and seeing what I can repurpose before I go buy the things that I want, okay? So that's how I challenge myself in my home. And so the last thing you're going to see is on my fireplace, there's a space right underneath the shelf that needed something to hide the hooks. And I decided to do like a faux bas relief, which is like a paper sculpture almost. So I'm using some clay and a piece of cardboard that I have to give it that look. And I think it's going to be just awesome. And I just want to say you have to reimagine and you have to get your creativity sparked. So if you don't know how to look at items and imagine what they could be, go on all the Pinterest, YouTubes, Google, whatever you got to do, and look through magazines and see what other people are doing, and it's going to give you an idea. So you may not do something exactly like they're doing, but it will trigger you to say, you know what if I... And that's what I love to do in my home. I'm saving lots of money, I'm taking my time, and I'm adding beauty. And we all get to save the planet from one more picture we don't need, right, that we throw away. So this was a fun challenge for me. I'm going to stop talking. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. Enjoy the video. Do not forget to check out the channels of Mom Dice, Life Handmade, This and That with Denise Jordan. Did I say her name right? Mom Dice, Life Handmade, This and That with Denise Jordan, and it's called the Useful DIY Challenge. We're uploading today, and have fun. I'm going to link the playlist below, so have fun being inspired by all of the wonderful participants. I love these challenges. When I get to participate, I support, and I'll just take all day and watch all the videos because I'm corny like that. Y'all have a good day.